how to turn music on or off in FC24. So if you want to turn off a single track or all the tracks, you first want to head up to the customization section in the top left hand corner of the screen on the main settings. Now in the main settings here, you'll come to the bottom left hand corner and you'll see EA Sports Music, and you want to go into that. And let's say it's a single track what you don't like, you can come and find it through this whole list here and then select it, and you want the green tick to disappear, and that'll turn off that track and you will no longer hear it in FC24. However, if you want to turn all the tracks off, then you want to press the square button. This will turn off all the tracks. It will say, do you want to? And you can confirm it with a yes. If you're on the Xbox, it may be a different button, but if you look here at the bottom, it'll tell you what that button is. So once we've turned all them tracks off, you can come back and the EA Sports Music section again, but go right on the trigger. This will bring up the Volta music, and then we can turn all them off if we want as well, or single tracks.